Welcome to an episode of A Journey to Jannat, and in this episode we visit the grave of Atheeb Al Yemeni.
Hazrat Atheeb Al Yemeni, more commonly and widely known as Sipa-e-abbas. Hazrat Atheeb Al Yemeni was a devout, spiritually insightful person from Yemen, whose connection to Imam Ali after his death made him a revered historical figure in Shia Islamic tradition. Although he never physically met Imam Ali during his own lifetime, he is celebrated for his profound spiritual foresight. His given name is Atheeb or Atheeb Al Yemeni. After his burial, and due to the purity of his story, he became known as Sipa-e-abbas, meaning the pure companion or pure serenity. While living in Yemen, Hazrat Atheeb fell severely and seriously ill. Before passing away from this temporary world, he possessed a spiritual premonition and a knowledge of sacred texts, which indicated that a man would be buried in the desert of Al-Ghari, which is modern-day Najaf. This man's intercession could save and would save sinners on the Day of Judgment, Yawmul Qiyamah. And so he explicitly left a will ordering his son to transport his corpse across the continents to be buried in that specific barren soil. Before the traveler, which is his son, even arrived, Imam Ali alayhi salam was sitting near the banks of Najaf with his companion Hazrat Asbagh bin Nubata. The Imam alayhi salam looked into the horizon and said to his companions, "Do you see what I see?" They replied, "Ya Ayn Allah, Ya Ayn Allah, oh the eyes of Allah, what is it that you see?" The Imam said, "I see a camel loaded with a dead body. One person is holding its reins and another is driving it from behind. It will reach here in 3 days." On the third day, the traveler arrived exactly as Imam Ali alayhi salam has predicted. Imam Ali alayhi salam approached the son, greeted him, and then a dialogue took place. Imam Ali alayhi salam asked, "Where do you come from?" The son replied, "I am from the distant lands of Yemen." Imam Ali asked, "And what is this cargo that you have brought with you on your camel?" The son replied, "It is the dead body of my father, Atheeb." Imam Ali Islam asked, "Why did you not bury your father in the fertile green lands of Yemen? Why have you brought his body all this way to a dry, barren desert like this?" The son replied, "O master, this was my father's final will and explicit command before his death. He told me, transport my body to Al-Ghari and bury me there." Imam Ali further asked, "Did your father give you a reason for this specific request?" The son replied, "Yes. My father told me, in that land a great man will be buried. If he intercedes on behalf of the sinners on the Day of Judgment, Yawm al-Qiyamah, God will accept his intercession, shafa'at, for everyone gathered on that plain." Imam Ali Islam looked at the son and he further asked, "Do you or did your father know who that man is?" The son replied, "No. We did not know his identity. We only knew of his status." Imam Ali alayhi salam stood up and firmly proclaimed, he said, Wallahi, by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I am that man. I am Ali ibn Abi Talib. Stand up and let us bury your father. Upon hearing these words, the son fell to the ground in awe, weeping, and kissed the hands of Imam Ali alayhi salam. The Imam alayhi salam then personally performed the final burial rites for Atheeb Al Yemeni, laying him to rest in the very soil his father had visualized from Yemen before his death. Hazrat Atheeb Al Yemeni is considered a symbol of unconditional faith and spiritual intuition. Because of his extreme devotion to an unseen master, somebody who he had never met during his lifetime, Imam Ali alayhi salam personally received his body from his traveling son, washed him, prayed over him, and buried him. Hazrat Atheeb Al Yemeni's final resting place is in Najaf. Nowadays, in modern time, it can be found located directly opposite the opening of Sahn Fatimiyya at the maqam of Imam Zain al-Abidin alayhi salam.
Thank you for watching, and in the next episode we visit Wadi as-Salam, the Valley of Peace.